Newsletter Advantage PLR. This is a review, a real review for a good product. I like this. You know, I forgot about newsletters. It's been around forever, before the internet. Remember mail? You would get in your mailbox. Newsletters used to be so popular. Well, they're still popular. And this is a great way where you can put together your own product to teach people on how to use newsletters. This is real PLR for you. Hi, I'm Brian Toder with PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR. And be sure to get my PLR checklist. There's a link in the description. Click on it, get to this page, and get this amazing checklist on how to find the best PLR, how to create products and make money with PLR. Okay, I got this in my mailbox yesterday about my email inbox, and it was showing me this product, and I was really impressed. So I became an affiliate. I bought the program from them so that I can see what this really is. So this is Newsletter Advantage, where it's real PLR that you could take apart, create a course, sell the course, and make some money doing this. Or if you want to create your own newsletter, you're going to find out how to do that. This is a done-for-you product. Now, I would say that you should repurpose this. Change the title. Change the cover. Change the insides just a little bit. Make it your own. And there is a video here in this channel on how to do that. So I'll show you what this is, and I'll show you an upsell and how to get it. Well, you could click on that link below this video and get it now. And before I show you the product, I want to show you the bonus that you get when you get it from me. Now this is amazing. You get the whole PLR Setup Masterclass. It'll show you how to rebrand, repurpose. It's beautiful. You get the whole schmeal. The setup class, how to rebrand your product, how to repurpose your PLR, and as a bonus on how to grow your first 1,000 email subscribers, because you need an email list. This is all free as my bonus when you get Newsletter Advantage PLR from me. First, you get a 11,000 word document, and it's in doc form and it's in PDF form if you just want to just read it. So if people want to start their own newsletter, well, how do you do this? This is a 14-day challenge that's included in the course. So if you're selling this, this is a great addition to your course. Well, if you want to up your email list, you need a lead magnet, and it includes a lead magnet report for this product. And when you have an email list, you have an autoresponder, here are the emails for you. There's articles, a customer acquisition cost spreadsheet, and I'm pretty impressed. It's less than $13. Really, you can't get a pizza for that. So I would recommend getting this. I'll show you a few more things. This is that spreadsheet, and you put in your figures and you figure out how much money you're going to make with this newsletter. It's free. Not bad. And this is the product that you get. You have the calculator. You get the articles. It's in doc form or PDF. And the same for the challenge, lead magnet, the Newsletter Advantage book, the email sequence, and the PLR rights. And it's guaranteed. Chris Archer is a good guy in the PLR world. A lot of people that I know like this guy. I just met him online, and look, for $13, get this. And I'll show you the first upsell, which is the upgrade to the Pro package. Now, the initial package is good enough. However, if you want a collection of the slide decks for this, if you want to make this a better product for an extra $17. So inexpensive. Just get it if you want. Now, the prices will go up. And even if they do go up, it'll go up another $10. Big whoop. If you like this, get these products. Get the upsells if you want them. If you have any questions, you know how to find me. So click on the link in the description below this video. Get it? I am Brian Toder with PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR. We'll talk soon.